Alright guys, today I'm going to be trying out the electropolishing on this Hot Wheels custom Camaro 67 Camaro base. Basically take out all that corrosion and pitting. I did see this video on the Bare Metal HW channel, so I'm going to leave a link to his channel and the channel where he also saw the video, which he also has a link on his video. Saw both videos. They suggest 75% phosphoric acid. I was not able to find it. I did buy this in Amazon. I'm going to leave a link on the video description. I got that big stainless steel spoon in a thrift store. I think I paid $1 for that, and it's real thick, so it should last me a long time. And I have my power supply here with custom made cables. All right, so let me hook up the camera here and let's start doing this. All right guys, so it's usually where you hook up the positive to the metal car or base, it's gonna leave a black, tends to leave a black mark. So I usually try to get it from the inside, but you know, you got to make sure you got it real good and it's not gonna fall. So it looks like there's no good spot, so I'm gonna grab it from back here. So I have the base hooked up, positive to the base, negative lead to your stainless steel spoon over there. Turn on the power supply. Let's go ahead and dip this. This acid is not, it's real thick. I'm shaking it. Right, that looks pretty good. Let's dip it in water. Turn off the power supply. Let me get a napkin here. All right, so let's check. Here it is, guys. I mean, I guess I could do it a little bit more. Let me grab from a different spot now so that back gets cleaned up a little bit more. So let me try that again. I grabbed it from the front now. You gotta make sure the base doesn't touch the spoon. All right, let's turn it off. Back in the water. Of course, there's a car going out, but there it is. Pretty damn good. Pretty damn good, I might say. Just saved me a lot of time. Now I can hit this with steel wool. Once I remove the wheels here, get a better look. It might be, here's the dark spot from the current, but you know, that's an easy fix. Alright guys, check this out. I just light scrub with steel wool, take out all that residue, and check out the result. I gotta say, it's pretty damn cool. Pretty dang cool. Alright guys, just remember, safety follows rules, and peace out.